Hi, I'm Nidhi, and with my co-founder Ling Shao, we are Portcast. We make shipping routes profitable with accurate demand forecasts. I spent the last 10 years in logistics. The industry is going through transformation. No one needs it more than shipping companies. Volatile demand is killing them. Here's an example. Historically, in the month leading up to the Golden Week in China, shipping from China to the US is at its peak. Extra ships are deployed and prices are high. Last year, however, shipping lines were in for a shock. The demand was significantly lower, forcing prices to be slashed by almost 50%. Why? The Chinese government closed down thousands of factories, which reduced domestic production, and a weaker US dollar reduced the import from China to the US. Shipping companies lost millions of dollars in just 1 month, as they relied on historical data and deployed overcapacity on the China-US route. This is not a one-off incident. This trillion-dollar industry, struggling with margins, fails to accurately predict demand, leading to a $30 billion lost revenue opportunity every year. Currently, companies use historical data, market averages, and intuition to predict how much cargo will be shipped, from where, and when. And any external uncertainties like factory closures or currency rates make the predictions go haywire. Shipping makes money almost by accident. Portcast is the solution. We believe cargo demand forecasting is not a shipping problem. It's a data science problem. We create data-driven predictions to convert market volatility into competitive advantage. Using our solution, the shipping company could have predicted that the demand from China to US will slow down, but China to Australia will pick up. They can respond by shifting their assets and setting new spot pricing. In short, with Portcast, shipping companies make money again. So how do we do it? Firstly, we created an extensive database of real-time market signals like economic indices, climate data, and satellite-based IoT data. Secondly, we continuously search for patterns throughout the supply chain that can disrupt demand. And thirdly, we quantify the impact of these signals and patterns using machine learning and artificial intelligence. All of which together, combined with the historical data, dramatically improves the prediction results. Our first trial with a customer in Singapore shows prediction results that are 95% accurate, save at least 1,000 hours for the customer, and uncover revenue potential of more than $1 million every year. In addition to this proof of concept, we have another trial going on with the customer. And what's even more exciting is we have 5 of the largest maritime logistics companies in our pipeline. I have spent the last 10 years in the logistics industry as part of DHL in various leadership roles across Asia Pacific. My last role as a senior director was to lead a sector and manage top multinational customers. My co-founder Ling Shao has a PhD in network information engineering from the Chinese University of Hong Kong, and has spent the last 3 years in various startups applying his knowledge in machine learning and data analytics. With Portcast, shipping companies can capture up to $30 billion in additional revenue every year. And that's not all. Understanding global production and shipping flows isn't just interesting only for shipping companies. We already have interest from cargo airlines, ground transportation, and manufacturers. So shipping is just the beginning. We are raising $800,000 to help shipping companies make money, not by accident, but by analytics. Thank you.